This is video 19 in the Personnomial series. Some conversions are protected under national heritage regulations, and therefore the owners may be eligible for grants from the local authorities to help with the costs of maintenance and repairs. However, protection is a two-way street, which means that at the same time that the structure is being protected, the owner is being prevented from doing something. If the essence of the original structure is kept intact, and the building is open to the public in the name of historical education, there may be a small business to be made out of a home with entrance fees, historical information on plaques, souvenirs, tours of the building and the surrounding area, merchandising, and any other reasonable return on investment project. For example, water tower, Fort Island, Windmill, Asylum, Orphanage, underground nuclear bunker. Unusual properties may come with strict deconsecration processes before they can be used. For example, chapel, church, vicarage, cemetery or cemetery lodge. Other properties may require only superficial changes with little regulation, but of little public interest as well. For example, schoolhouse, boathouse, barn or milking shed, pumping station, Folly.